In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mileage rate in Expensify. We'll walk through updating the mileage reimbursement rate so your distance expenses calculate correctly going forward. This change is made at the workspace level, so you'll need the proper permissions to edit workspace settings. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your admin to ensure you have access. Start on the Expensify home screen. This is the main dashboard you see after signing in. From here, look to the left side of the screen and open the Workspaces section. This is where all of your company or team policies live and where distance rates are configured. Choose the workspace you want to update. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you pick the one used for the reports where mileage is submitted. Opening the correct workspace ensures the rate you set applies to the right group of users and expenses. Once the workspace is open, navigate to distance rates. This section controls how Expensify calculates reimbursement for mileage-based expenses. Think of it as the place where you define the amount paid per mile or per kilometer, depending on your organization's setup. Locate the specific rate you want to change and select it. Many organizations maintain more than one rate, for example, separate rates for different vehicle types or regions. Choosing the right one here prevents confusion later, so take a moment to confirm you're editing the intended rate. In the editor, click into the rate field. Type the new value exactly as your policy or guidance dictates. If your company follows official benchmarks, such as government-published rates, make sure the number matches and that you're using the correct unit per mile or per kilometer and the correct currency. It's also a good idea to keep the number format clean, using standard decimals if needed. When you're confident the new rate is correct, select Save. You should see a brief confirmation that your change has been applied. From this point forward, newly created distance expenses in this workspace will calculate using the updated rate. Existing expenses already created may retain the original rate, so if a report was built before the change, review whether it needs to be updated or recreated based on your internal process. If you don't have the option to edit the rate, you might not have admin or policy manager permissions for this workspace. In that case, reach out to the person who manages your workspace settings. And if you maintain multiple workspaces, repeat the same steps in each one to keep rates consistent. That's it. Your mileage rate is now updated in Expensify.